I'm gonna see if I can get the sunrise. We're headed to coffee right now. We'll see you in a sec. Welcome to coffee time. Every cruise I do 1 or 2 coffees, so today we're going to do another segment because you guys are asking for it, of how to use the Carnival Hub app more often. So this one's going to be really simple. It's about how to book shore excursions while you're on the ship, and you don't have to go get in the lines down in the lobby area, which you can do as well, and you can get a book or a pamphlet that gives you all the shore excursions. But what it doesn't do down there, and they're not always open, is it doesn't give you the inventory of what is available to you. So I thought I would share that with you. So I'm going to turn on my screen and start recording. Put it over here on my left, which is your right, and show you how that works. So here you are. So you go to your home screen, and then you can go to the menus, and this is the menu screen right here. You can scroll down to where it says shore excursion and select shore excursion, and you can see that there's filters at the very top, and this is a great way to filter where you want to get an excursion at. For example, like if we're going to be in Puerto Vallarta today, but I want to see what's available in Mazatlan, so I can then go to the port and day and select the day I want to be on, which is Mazatlan, and then you hit apply filters, and when you hit the apply filter button, then it opens up all the shore excursions that are available in that port only, and you don't have to go through all the other ports. So I thought that was really kind of convenient. It's very similar to their the way they designed their web page as well. So you can scroll down and see all the available. What I like about this is that it only shows the available tours. So for example, if you wanted to see this go sport fishing tour, and you wanted to try to catch one of those amazing big fish, that by the way is a mahi-mahi. You can select it by just clicking on the photo, and it'll tell you how many down at the very bottom, what the departure times are, and then how many seats are available. So if you have a big group of people and you wanted to have a private boat or whatnot, or you wanted to be together, you can buy them all in that group in that time. That way you're all going to go on the shore excursion at the same time. So yeah, pretty simple but informative. So a lot of people, they always have to resort back to, oh, I got to wait for shore excursions to open. So I thought I'd share that with you all. And of course, it was an easy one. So that's really all there is to it. And then when you go to purchase, hit purchase, and you get your tickets delivered to your room. Or you can go down to the excursion, or I've also had to go down to the guest services desk to get my tickets too, because it was the last minute, and the other place was closed. They can also print them there on the newer ships, not on all the older ships, because they don't have the printer. And then they'll have physical tickets for you, and you can literally order them while you're at port, and then walk off the ship. I did that with a hop-on, hop-off tour, and I'll click a link right up here, that tour, and show you. I give you even more details about that tour in Mazatlan, which is a lot of fun, especially if you want to just go see things. So, alright guys, we'll see you guys in a few. I'm going to finish my coffee, and cheers. We're going to Puerto Vallarta today. I can't wait to share. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, alright guys, so check this out. We're going to do taco day today. We're gonna go to my favorite little, like a marketplace, and it has a whole bunch of interesting things to see and do and eat. And one of the things it has is a Tortilla Factory. And here, I'll put it up right here from my Instagram, and it's one of my highest views items. If you haven't checked it out over there at Instagram, it's Jeffrey's Adventures, and yeah, so it's really cool. And I got 1.2 million views one day, and I was just sitting next to my iPad, and I thought it was broken, and then it kept going boing, 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 and ding, 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 ding. And so I went and just turned it off, and about half an hour later, I heard my phone doing the same thing, and I was, what's going on? So I opened up my phone, and Instagram was throwing up the little thumbs up thing, and I was watching it go viral. It was just amazing to see something like that happen. So anyways, that's where we're headed today, and yeah, that's gonna be fun. I can't wait to share. I'll see you guys back in a minute. Alright guys, so we are headed to breakfast, and we're just gonna do the dining room for breakfast this morning, and then I'll bring you along, show you all the yummies. Alright, be right back. Preparing to get us off the ship right now. How cool. A bit of a process. So this is the first port of call the Carnival Firenze has ever taken. So all the equipment's brand new. As you can see that tent right there. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Alright guys, so it looks like everybody's having a first port day visit. And we're about to head over there ourselves. We gotta get ready. And so they're letting people off right here now. They just opened that gate. Gangway, I should say. Yeah, so this is Puerto Vallarta. We just got here this morning, and I'm looking forward to visiting. I can't wait to go. We're gonna go right, if you look straight ahead, where you see the faraway palm trees, that's where we're gonna walk over there today. That's where the fish market is. All right, we'll see you guys in a second. Just got off the ship, and we are heading into town. Well, we just walked through the shopping area, and now we are about to get to the expansion that's happening right now, and I'll show it to you here. There. And if you walk on the left side, my left side, you'll be right next to the ship. And then you exit on this side, you won't be hounded with the taxis or all the locals that are trying to sell you a taxi. If you walk on the right side of the exit, that's when you're going to get hit by taxi drivers trying to sell you to go to the beach or to the other part of town. And this is a destination port. And what I mean by that is the destinations are driven by taxis. So you can go out of there and save yourself a bit of money. All right, we're on our way. We're right across the street from Walmart right now, and there's a walkway that can take you across the street. And I'll put that on my Google map for you on a link down below, how to walk to the place that we're going to today. And as we get there, I will put pin marks, and those pin marks are gonna be destinations like Walmart and then the Tortilla Factory. All right, we'll see you guys in a second. So I made it to Nancy's, this taco place I was telling you guys about. I've been here a few times. I vlogged it a few years ago, but now I have to show you The Tortilla Factory is also here, and let's insert that footage right here. It's amazing. They make it from the masa, the corn, dry corn. They grind it. They make a huge masa ball, and they make all the tortillas from scratch. And the taco shells end up right here. As you can see, it's a pretty well established. Now today is Sunday, so it's a little bit different during the week. So we're getting all the locals on their days off here today, which all the eateries are open, guys. So I just ordered my first items, and I did the shrimp, or better known, camarones empanada, and then I did a fish taco or pescado taco. But what's really cool is they have the original recipe Coca-Cola made with real cane sugar, not with the corn syrup that you get in the US. So that's a must-do. It's just delicious, and it's 1 liter. So 1 liter glass bottle. It's huge, and it's ice cold because it's hot here today. All right. As the food comes out, I'll try it out just like I did last time. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I won't be disappointed. And I'll show you all the sauces. There's 3 sauces. One's kind of like a chipotle aioli, and then they have like a avocado cilantro dressing you can put on top of your tacos as well. And I can't remember the third. I'll find out and I'll let you know. I'll be right back. They just brought my food, and I'll insert a photo right here. So the empanada, that's a shrimp empanada, and then I had the grilled or beer battered fish taco. Now they said that this is the most mild sauce. This is the aioli, which is a chipotle aioli. And I'm gonna put that on as a dip so I can enjoy the different flavors. And then this one is the habanero. Habanero is very hot and spicy. And then the lime cilantro sauce. So I'm gonna try all the sauces on the side, obviously. And I'll come right back as soon as this cools down. It's super hot, so I'm gonna open up my empanada, let the steam out, and then I'll come back and I'll give it a taste. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, I just had the fish taco, and I'm gonna explain. I forgot how good they really are. They are just so full of fish, and the batter's super light and crispy, and it's obviously fresh. Fillet all the fish. I'll insert it right here. It's pretty amazing. All this, so everything is right here. The fish is caught today. The tortillas are made here today. These ladies that are making all the food are doing it all by hand. It's pretty spectacular. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we just spoke with Nancy. We got to see her, talk to her, and we want to say thank you as always. She's going to watch this episode, and a thumbs up for your food. It's comida es muy bien, gracias. All right, we're going to go to Walmart, get some yummy. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Friends of ours brought us to Sam's Club here in Port, which is right across the cruise ships as well. And what's interesting about it is that it looks just like a Costco. Now, in Oregon, we don't have any Sam's Clubs. When we lived in California, there was some. So it's really hard to not go in here and not want to bring a cart. But yeah, so we're here to buy some liquor or wine, and the prices are pretty good. Like this Reserve, it's 109 pesos. So yeah, why not? All right, let's see what we get. All right, guys, so we just got back from Sam's Club. We stocked up on wine for next week. So we're doing a back-to-back, as I mentioned. So we haven't experienced this yet. So I thought I'd share with you how it really works. I know we can check our liquor in and collect it, but we're just wondering if we can bring another bottle of wine on board, or if they're going to allow us to. So we're going to try it out. We'll let you know the outcome. We're going to do it the right way, follow the rules, but you know, that's the way I would just want to check. All right, we're on our way. See you in a minute. All right, guys, that was our day for Puerto Vallarta. Having a great afternoon, enjoying ourselves. We got a little bit of shopping done. We had a good time over there at Sam's Club just to find ourselves a couple trinkets of wine, and we're headed to the ship right now. Oh, what a gorgeous ship. Let me show it to you. I didn't have a chance to show it yet.